Hey everybody, and welcome to Leia's Lair. In today's episode, I will be going over a virus that existed in the Star Wars universe. Now, although Star Wars is thought of to be a battle between good and evil, Jedi and Sith, it is usually overlooked that there could be other problems existing in the universe. With so many different species, planets, and creatures, it is not unreasonable to think that there may be some pretty strange illnesses or diseases that come about and spread throughout the galaxy. One of these is called the Krytos virus. This was actually a genetically engineered bioweapon designed by the Galactic Empire in 7 ABY that caused the death of millions. Once it infected a host, the virus would destroy the infected host bodies cell by cell until the victim's flesh fell apart completely, resulting in an agonizing and excruciating death. To top it off, the Krytos virus was highly contagious and designed to target only non-human populations and be treated by large amounts of bacta. The virus was transmitted by physical contact or through a water supply, but could not be spread by airborne transmission. The virus would typically have a 12-day incubation period where the individual would become infected but would not have any symptoms. After this, it would enter a 1-week, 7-stage process in which it replicated itself in the host body. Once a cell was filled with the virus, that cell soon exploded, and the cell next to it would become infected. The circulatory system carried the virus throughout the body, cell by cell. The virus would not destroy pain receptors, so the process was very painful for the victim, especially during the final stages. There were 7 stages, 1 for each day of the disease. The subject, in stage 1, would start off feeling only slightly ill, not unlike a case of the common cold, but otherwise appeared and felt relatively normal. During the second stage, the subject would begin to feel more fatigued and placid, and increasingly appeared to be in a stupor, with glassy eyes fixed on a specific point. Next, in the third stage, the subject's skin began to show signs of splotches. By the fourth stage, black spots started radiating on the subject's skin, including the tongue and feet, with an appearance resembling a spider web of lines that connected the spots to one another. The subject typically avoided putting pressure on the spots in an effort to reduce the pain from them. They would also experience dryness of the mouth or lack of mucus or saliva. In the 5th stage, skin would start to crack, and by the 6th stage, the pain continued to grow and dementia kicked in. In the 7th stage, or day 7, would result in the subject's death. Although the general process was similar, elements would vary from species to species. The list of species susceptible to the Krytos virus included but was not limited to Quarren, Mon Calamari, Gamorreans, Duros, Twi'leks, Wookiees, Trandoshans, Shistavanans, Elams, Gotals, and the Baragwin. Only a handful of alien races were immune to it, most notably Bothans. A subject could become infected by the Krytos virus through contact with infected bodily fluids. 1 milliliter, or 0.03 ounces, would be enough to infect an adult. If ingested, there would be an almost 100% infection rate. If the virus only touched the skin, the infection rate dropped to 20%. The virus was viable for typically 36 hours outside of a host and could survive longer in warm and moist weather conditions. The virus was not transmissible by air because the same genetics that would have allowed this would have also facilitated a spontaneous mutation that could have made the virus affect humans. During the later stages of the virus, some organs would become so damaged that they would require cybernetic replacements, even despite extensive bacta treatment. Bacta therapy prior to infection provided no deterrent to the virus. However, Rill, a weak spice from the planet Ryloth, could be combined with bacta to increase the medicine's efficiency. I don't know about you, but I think I'd rather encounter a Wampa than live in a galaxy with the Krytos virus. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, everyone. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know down below in the comment section. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great videos to come. We hope to see you all again in Leia's Lair.